Your roommate has been sick all day. The germs from her sneezes are traveling directly into your lungs with every breath you take. You're not too worried about it though, because you know your immune system is prepared. Our immune system is extremely picky. It'll attack those unwanted invaders, but it'll leave our own body cells alone. Scientists have begun to wonder though, if there's a way to harness the power of our immune system to attack unhealthy cells in our body, specifically cancer cells. Two scientists, Drs. James P. Allison and Tasuku Honjo, have been working on exactly this, finding a way for our immune system to attack and kill cancer cells. For their work in this field, they were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2018. According to the National Cancer Institute, 1 out of every 3 Americans will be diagnosed with cancer at some point in their life. That means that you or someone that you love could directly benefit from the research that they've been doing. I've been interested in studying cancer ever since I entered college. Between the cancer research that I help with in the lab and the cancer biology class that I'm in, it's extremely important for me to keep up with recent discoveries about this disease. Their research began in the 1990s, so I won't be able to tell you every detail about the research that Dr. Allison and Dr. Honjo have conducted. I will be able to give you a better idea of what they did to be awarded this prestigious award. Before I can tell you about their discoveries, though, it's important to have a basic understanding of how the immune system works. The immune system serves 2 functions. First, it has to detect invaders into our body, and then it has to kill them. Dendritic cells are responsible for detecting viruses and bacteria that enter our systems. When they detect these viruses and bacteria, they can devour them, and they will save just a few proteins. These proteins are called antigens. T cells can use antibodies to detect these antigens. When they go throughout the body and detect these antigens, they can then kill any virus or bacteria presenting those proteins. Now that we know a bit more about our immune system, we can see what Dr. Allison and Dr. Honjo discovered that gave us a better understanding of our immune systems. Working independently from another, they both discovered proteins that serve as T cell brakes. What these proteins do is stop T cells from attacking the healthy cells from our own body. Dr. Allison discovered a protein called CTLA4, while Dr. Honjo discovered a protein called PD1. Both of these proteins function in slightly different ways, but they serve the same purpose. Both of these scientists asked the same question. If we could stop these T cell brakes from functioning, what effect would that have? Turns out, when they blocked the function of these T cell brakes, T cells could, in fact, attack and kill cancer cells. So we've seen how our immune system works and what the discoveries of Dr. Allison and Dr. Honjo added to that understanding. So we can now look at what the future of cancer treatments look like because of these discoveries. What we now call immune checkpoint therapy has undergone multiple clinical trials. In 2010, a clinical trial blocking the function of CTLA4 saw melanoma patients have their cancers completely disappear. And in 2012, a similar trial blocking PD1 saw complete remissions in multiple cancer types. What's even more promising than that, in clinical trials that combined both protein inhibitors together, even better results were seen. To sum up what we have learned, our immune system is a powerful defense that we have against foreign invaders into our body. Scientists long wondered if they could harness the power of the immune system to attack cancer cells, but this was long thought as impossible until the discoveries of Dr. James P. Allison and Dr. Tasuku Honjo were made. They found T cell brakes that stop T cells from attacking our own body's cells. When we block these T cell brakes, T cells can attack cancer. As Alfred Nobel dictated in his will on November 7, 1895, the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine would be awarded to the person who made the most important discovery in their field. We can see just how important Dr. Allison and Dr. Tasuku Honjo's discoveries were, as they have opened a whole new field of cancer treatments.